So, okay, guys, today I'm going to share a story, a moment which has moved my heart today. So, we have gone to distribute rations in a nearby village, and it went very well. We were distributing rations, calling people to our vehicle and handing out them rations according to the list, and we are moving on to the other lane. While in this process, we have been driving through a lane, and I saw an old woman sitting on a cot, which is broken cot, and sitting outside the house, and she was looking into sky, and I felt like she looks like she needed some help. So I quickly ran to her, and I was about to ask, Granny, are you okay? Are you doing okay? Before I asked her anything, I saw our bag there, our ration bag, and it is open, and she kept all the things out of the bag, praying to God, giving thanks to God for sending people like us to her. And she said in her own words,
నెల నుంచి ఏం తింటున్నారు? ఇప్పుడు సామాన్ వచ్చిందా మరి? సంతోషమా మరి? ఏం కావాలి?
So it was very heart touching moment for me, and I was in tears at that moment. When I started asking her questions, she was so much interested in talking with me. I stood there for a couple of minutes, and she kept on thanking me and thanking God, thanking for everyone who has been involved in this. So I felt this thing in my heart that I know it's lockdown and we can't go out, we can't really do much great stuff, but there are chances which we could do. We can just call our neighbors and ask them, are you guys okay? Do you guys need something? Do you need anything which I can do? So if you could do something for them, it will be really nice, and it's such a blessing for them. You be a blessing to someone else. It's such a good thing in our life. So I really encourage you guys to just call your friends, call your neighbors, or you don't need to know people. If you find someone who are struggling, just ask them, are you okay? There is something that you could do to them. Please do help them, and please give them a couple of minutes to talk. And for those people who has been giving us, who has been morally supporting us, and our team, Love the One team, Mary Cat, everyone who has been involved in this distribution of rations process, I am so thankful from my heart. It really means a lot. It is such a blessing for us. Thank you so much.